Hakarukom kaba Shongkun bha ka Giant Eastern College JEC Khliehriat menda ka singi kala pelong ya ka program ka kerpang hakabala Jingpynkup burom ya ki samla pule jongko college ibla pyndep ya ka Jingpule haka kedan graduate ban master degree haki subject pule paper haka ni ka singi MLA Khliehriat uba kermen shilau lolong kumukongsan but unit head dalma Cement Bharat Limited Meghalaya unit u Padmanav Chakravarti kum usembut kongsan Snoptanatru pantib baka Giant Eastern College Khliehriat hapo ka jingalam khaman u principal u Dr. Pervision nongtudu minta ya ka college laito ne affiliated ru daka school ba North Eastern Hills University nehu but accredited daka National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAC nakalyang Dr. Pervision nongtudu ula pinsngau ya ka khana Lincoln akabaya day bat ka jingpas ki kena bat ong bana ka benta usnam arjar pulai hadu arjar san longru ba kila dan hadu arpunai ngot ki kena ki ba pule ya ka arts bat ka jingpas ki kena kala kinjo hadu kandai pusan person na ka benta ki kena ba pule ha ka commerce ki kena pule ki dan nyongun bat baro ki pas kila dan kat prangot ki kena ki bayakun ya ka MA haka kasi bat baro ki pas haka education kidan kan arngun haka PG University kidan laingut ki kena ba la yo top 10 haka MA kasi haka education ru kidan arngun ki barung haka top 10 sociology kidan prangun bat baro ki pas history kidan arngun English khatwengun economic kidan sangun baro ki pas long bagi dan ru hadu lai phongot ki kena ki bla pyndep ki jingsha hi kai ba jingpule ha ka beauty care course na ka college but ya ki ne ru la Jingpynkup burom ha ka ni ka sngi ha ka ni ka program la dan lang ru Reverend FS Rambai komu Shongkun u badru komu president governing body Giant Eastern College Khliehriat Wemele barim jongka Khliehriat u badairu wahesh nong Khliehriat West u ba Justin Dakhar Deputy Manager CSR Lead Dalmia Bharat Foundation Thangskai U Jitu Moni Kalita U Head HR Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited U Vinay Kumar Mishra U Dukhat Jangko College Governing Body Uba Livingstone Power Ki Samla Pule Jangko College Ki Professor Pat Kiwe Ki Rangba Shushu Ha Kadihi Kasngi Ukongsan uba kermen shalau la plai pai pa ya ka wega kat implementation of NEP arhajar arpo in higher education a case of Giant Hills balatho pat pinbit pinbyang the Dr. Pervision nong tudu bat ka professor iba kodor tiuso ya ka program la penkut da ka barwai lang ya ka jingrai Indian National Anthem Adinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bharya Vijata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachal Malang
To present you a short and a brief history of JEC Eastern College with regard to academic. This year, 2022 to 25 for 3-year course, total number of student enrollment is 79 and for arts and percentage of pass is 95% and for thank you. And UG Commerce batch 22 up to 25 7 students enrolled, all of them passed, percentage of pass is 100. and Master of Art in Khasi 22, 25. Total number of students enrolled 19, and percentage of number of students appear for exam 18, and one student drop, and all students pass 100%. And Master of Arts in Education, total number of students 3, pass all 3. It is 100% pass. And top 10 in PG University, usually for a postgraduate university result. In MA Khasi, we got 3 top 10, rank 2, rank 4, and rank 3. They have already received their recognition, and we have already facilitated them. And also from MA Education, we got 2 top 10, Miss Almanisha and Lily Simply. And beauty care course for this session, actually we are having 3 sessions in a year, but the last session is already felicitated, and the present one just latest completion. We have 30 candidates enrolled for the course, drawing all part of East Jaintia Hill District, including students of Jaintia Eastern College, and all of them completed the course successfully, and most of them they have done well also, and the success rate is 100%. Big clap for them. And also my thankfulness to Dalmia Foundation, Bharat Foundation, to continue support this program, as I saw personally that there is a light of hope for the future. And today we are very lucky. We are having our unit head as well as our chief guest, local MLA. Then I think together we'll combine, we'll mold them. I think more center will come up through with the help of the cement plants. Not only beauty care, so many students also they want the other programs, because most of them they may like or may not like beauty care, but still it is only one program, they have to like it. But this time I think after the session we'll have a short discussion with under the...
Of the time, I've heard that many of the cement plants who present here in East Jaintia Hills, they utilize the CSR in different parts of the country. Yes, it is allowed, but sometimes being the district who directly affected, I feel it is most deserved to have the CSR or maybe the DMF or any kind of support from your cement plant. And today, I applaud for your contribution to the Dalmia Cement. Thank you so much for your all your contribution. And with this, I believe even the cement plant and all the industries who present here in East Jaintia Hills, they'll do their contribution when it comes to the future of our youth and to the livelihood of the people of East Jaintia Hills. And thank you so much. When it comes to DMF, we have heard a lot and we got a chance as a local representative. We used to get a chance to discuss from time to time about this DMF and where to implement it, how to implement it, and this is a contribution from the cement plant, included Dalmia Cement. And thanks for all this contribution.